So, good evening, guys. Welcome to another weekend review. I'm going to keep this brief as well. There's not much to talk about. We'll just look at last week's analysis, last week's performance on gold, and we'll look at the upcoming week. I also want to say a big thank you to the TradingView team who picked my analysis as part of their editor's choice, and I had gotten so many messages, so many followers from that, and I just want to say big thank you to them. um it's nice to see that people are taking note of my analysis, and it's helping other traders out there, which is always nice. That's the purpose. That's why we do these things. So I just thought maybe I should mention that. So going into the analysis proper, yeah, we could see that gold really struggled to maintain the bearish momentum. The week started with a very strong bearish push, but it couldn't maintain that momentum for the rest of the week, and that going also, it set up this rising trend line. You could see that here, which kept gold pretty locked within this zone. So, what are we looking at? Yeah, this coming week, I'm expecting a clear break of this zone, just like we had the rising trend line, which was around this zone here the previous week. Once we get a clean break of this, expect a retest. There might be a retest, there might not be a retest, and then that should open the door for gold to fall all the way down to 3,000. That has been our goal on gold. That has been our destination for gold on for uh, well over a month now. We expect that gold will continue to fall and get all the way to 3,000 before we see gold turning around and maybe creating a new all-time high. But on the flip side, we could see the market open and gold will still retest the falling trend line. It can retest that before eventually crashing. So we are looking at two separate scenarios here. We can look at one where the market just opens, gaps down, and continues going down, or another retest of this falling trend line, and then the market crashes eventually. Now, also to keep in mind, this week is going to be uh, very important because key economic indicators will be coming out this week. Uh, the most important one being the non-farm payroll, which comes on Wednesday and also on Friday. So it's always good to keep that in mind when you're trading because it has a very huge impact. It usually has a very huge impact on the price of gold. So it's just something to keep in mind. If you're if you have open trades at around the time NFP will be coming out, it's also good to lock in your profits, protect your trades, and hope for the best. So yeah, so basically that is it. We're looking at two scenarios: one where gold breaks this trend line and falls, or one where it goes and retests the um, descending trend line and then falls again. So those are the two scenarios. But on both scenarios, we're expecting gold to sell this week. So wishing you all a very good trading week. And if you are enjoying the content that we have been providing so far, hit the like button, share with other traders that you think it might be helpful to, and I wish you all a happy trading week. Take care.